Imagine stepping outside your home and being greeted by a lush, verdant wall of greenery that not only enhances your curb appeal, but also provides a myriad of benefits for you and your property. This dream can become a reality with Hedges. In this video, we'll explore 10 compelling reasons why you should consider adding hedges to your garden today. From privacy and noise reduction to increased property value and energy efficiency, hedges offer a host of advantages that make them an essential feature of any outdoor sanctuary. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the incredible benefits of hedges. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Also, be sure to like this video and share it with your friends if you find it helpful. Now let's dive into the topic at hand. Hedges have been a staple in landscaping for centuries, but they often play second fiddle to the flashier plants and shrubs in the garden. In fact, many people think of hedges as mere background plants or borders that serve no other purpose than to frame the more prominent features in the landscape. However, this perception couldn't be further from the truth. Hedges are unsung heroes that play a vital role in enhancing the beauty and functionality of any outdoor space. They deserve to be recognized for their numerous benefits and given the attention they rightfully deserve. In this video, we'll shed light on some of the surprising ways that hedges can transform your garden and why they should be at the forefront of your landscaping plans. So, stay tuned and let us show you why hedges are much more than meets the eye. Hedges can provide an extra layer of security, giving you added peace of mind. When you have a hedge, it can act as a physical barrier that deters intruders and keeps your property safe. A well-maintained hedge can be difficult to climb, providing an added layer of protection that can help you feel more secure in your home. Additionally, hedges can also provide cover for outdoor security cameras or motion sensor lights, making it even more challenging for anyone with bad intentions to access your property undetected. This added sense of security can provide you with peace of mind, knowing that your home and family are safer thanks to your hedge. Hedges can also help to improve air quality by absorbing pollutants and producing oxygen. Plants in general are great at removing pollutants from the air, and hedges are no exception. They can help to reduce the amount of smog and other harmful pollutants in the air, which can improve air quality for you and your neighbors. Additionally, hedges can also provide habitat for beneficial insects such as bees and butterflies, which can further help to improve air quality by pollinating plants and flowers. By planting a hedge, you're not only beautifying your own property, but also contributing to the overall health and well-being of your community. While hedges can provide some noise reduction, they are not a foolproof solution to noise pollution. The effectiveness of a hedge in reducing noise depends on several factors, including the type of plants used, the height and density of the hedge, and the direction and speed of the wind. Generally, denser and taller hedges are more effective at reducing noise. Some plant varieties are also better at absorbing sound than others. For example, evergreen trees, such as arborvitae and spruce, are known for their dense foliage, which can help to muffle noise. However, it's important to keep in mind that no hedge can completely eliminate noise. If you're looking for a hedge to reduce noise pollution, it's best to plant multiple rows of hedges with different types of plants to create a layered effect. This can help to absorb sound waves more effectively and provide better noise reduction. Transform your garden into a bird sanctuary by planting a hedge. Birds love to nest in the dense foliage of a well-grown hedge, and it provides them with the necessary cover and protection from predators. In addition, hedges can also provide food for birds, whether it is the insects that live in the leaves or the berries that grow on some types of hedges. Providing food and shelter will attract a variety of bird species to your garden, making it a welcoming habitat for these feathered friends. So if you want to attract birds to your garden, consider planting a hedge. It is an easy and effective way to create a bird-friendly environment that will bring joy and life to your outdoor space. A hedge can help to prevent soil erosion on your property. The roots of the plants in a hedge help to hold the soil in place, which can be especially helpful on slopes or in areas that are prone to heavy rainfall or strong winds. This can help to prevent soil erosion and protect the natural beauty of your property. In addition to providing habitat for wildlife, hedges can also help to control pests. Many hedges, such as those made up of aromatic plants like lavender or rosemary, are naturally pest-resistant. This means that they can help to repel insects and animals that can cause damage to your garden or property. For example, the strong scent of lavender is known to repel moths and fleas, while rosemary can help to deter rabbits and other small mammals. By planting pests, you can create a natural barrier that helps to protect your garden and property from unwanted pests. If you're looking to boost your property value, consider investing in hedges. Potential buyers often look for properties with well-maintained landscaping, and hedges can make your property stand out from the competition. Not only do they add visual appeal, but they can also provide added privacy and security, which are desirable features for any homeowner. By planting the right types of hedges, you can increase your property's curb appeal and make it more attractive to potential buyers. And when it comes time to sell, you may be able to recoup your investment and more. The hedge can help you save on heating and cooling costs by providing a natural windbreak. In the winter, the hedge can block cold winds from entering your property, helping to keep your home warmer and reducing your heating bills. Similarly, in the summer, the hedge can buffer your home from hot winds, helping to keep your home cooler and reducing your cooling costs. This can result in significant savings on your energy bills throughout the year, making a hedge a smart investment for any homeowner looking to reduce their environmental impact. Consider planting a hedge. By choosing native plants for your hedge, you'll be supporting local wildlife and contributing to the health of the ecosystem in your area. Native plants are adapted to the local climate and require less water and maintenance, making them an environmentally friendly choice for your garden. Plus, by planting native plants, you'll be providing food and habitat for local birds, insects, and animals, which can help to support the local ecosystem. Creating a hedge is a great way to add privacy to your outdoor space without the need for expensive fencing or walls. Hedges can be planted along property lines or around seating areas to create a sense of seclusion and intimacy. This can be especially helpful if you live in a densely populated area or have neighbors who like to peek in. With the right type of hedge, you can enjoy your outdoor space without feeling like you're on display. Just be sure to check local regulations regarding vegetation heights near property lines before planting. Now that you understand the many benefits of having hedges in your garden, it's time to take action. Don't wait. Start planning your hedges today and enjoy the many benefits they will bring to your garden for years to come. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and let us know what other topics you would like to see us cover in the future. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos.